Alright, so taking these apart really isn't that bad. You just need a spanner. And you gotta turn this nut and the jam that matches it all the way up. It's a lot easier on the bike actually. Sometimes they're a little stuck. Sometimes you gotta have the right spanner would help. I do not. But for starters, run this jam nut all the way up till it's free, and run this nut all the way up till it's free. We'll be back when we get there. Alright, so once you've run these nuts both all the way up, you'll notice your spring is no longer under any pressure. Therefore it has no preload. Flip your shock over and wiggle work this little lock out. Set it down. Metal ring. You're starting a stack over here. Plastic sleeve. Not necessary, by the way, if you want to lose it. Keep these all stacked in order. Your spring's off. Just that easy. Took me about 5 minutes to get all the way through this. This can now go off and get media blasted and powder coated. I bet you can get it done for under $50. I can hook you up with Apex Powder Coating in Decatur, Alabama if you're interested. Hit me up, I'll refer you to them and see what we can do for a price there. They did the frame on Susie, looks phenomenal. They did that whole frame for I think 250 bucks, blasted, powder coated, everything. So, yee.